we are going to go ahead and review the King James Bible audio Bible free offline app. What's cool about this app is, as it says right there on the screen, no internet connection needed is for this thing. Now, I can't tell you how many times I would be listening to the audio Bible on a road trip or something, and all of a sudden I would lose my 4G connection and I wasn't able to listen to the Bible no more. With this app, now you can listen to it with no internet connection. So if you're in a spot where you don't have service, you could just play this on this app, which makes it really nice. Let's go ahead and open it, take a look at it. Nice picture there. All right. Cool. Just taking us through a step-by-step tutorial here. Cool. So you can actually search for what you want here. It even tells you how much time you're connected with God. Wow. Cool. Get the verse of the day too. All right. So here we are. Time connected with God. It's Friday right now. Of course, it says 1 minute. Cool. So we're taking a look here. It tells you the verse of the day, which is Lord sitting upon a throne, high and lifted up, and his train filled the temple. All right. Let's go ahead and hit the audio here. So it's loading.
The book of Genesis, chapter 1.
Let's pause it real quick. Let's go up here. I'm going to use the mouse so you guys know where I'm tapping here on my screen. So we're going to go to Genesis. Usually it lets me click on it. All right, I guess I'm going to have to tap on it myself. All right. So here we get to choose a book. We got from Genesis all the way down to Revelation. Cool. Let's just pick any book here. Let's go to Philippians. Here you can pick which chapter you want. Go to chapter 2, verse 5, just to test this out. And there we are. So you can actually read it, and you can listen to it too. Oh, we're seeing an ad right here, right off the bat. So it is a free app. Usually with free apps on your phone, it comes with ads, guys. So we got ads, but it's not much in the way, really. It's down there. It does kind of South Park ad when you're reading the Bible. It just doesn't mix that well. The guy that made this app should have made it to where there was no apps, so to help us, because when it comes to the Bible, people should not be making money off of it like this, putting ads on there. But anyway, maybe it's funding their research and development, on the app and making it better. But what happens is when you put ads on a Bible app, you get sometimes like this ad here is not bad, but the ad with South Park, that goes against everything that says in the Bible, so I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and hit the audio button here.
Philippians 2. If there be therefore any consolation in Christ, if any comfort of love, if any fellowship of the Spirit,
I have heard this guy before.
and mercies.
So I have heard this guy before in some of the other apps, Bible apps. It's not a bad voice. I like listening to him. He makes it seem very inspirational. But anyway, let's go back to the Bible app. Where'd it go? I should have it here. Where is it? Right here, King James Version. So this app is pretty cool. Like I said, I like it. Oh, here's another ad already, guys. So we're just going to exit out of it. So I'm not going to give it a rating yet. We're still looking at it. So we checked out the audio section of it. Now let's go to devotion. Let's see what that. So devotion of today. So it gives you the devotion of the day. Of course, there's an ad right there, and it shows you each devotion for each day here. So, okay. Let's go ahead and look at plan and see what that's all about. Saved plans. So start a plan now. We're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign here. Oh, cool. So here's a bunch of plans you can select. For example, if you're feeling lost, let's go to lost. Let's go to anger, just for the heck of it. So here's a plan on anger. Dang, that guy looks angry. So we hit start plan, and there's a plan. So you can actually do plans on here too, which is pretty cool. I like that. So not only is it an audio Bible, offline audio Bible, it also has all these other features, which I like it. It's even got a quiz section here. Let's take a look at that. Let's go ahead and quiz on Daniel. I know the Daniel pretty good. Oh, wait. My bad. I thought it was letting us choose which book. Alright, find out which book this verse is from. No man hath seen God at any time. If we love one another, God dwelleth in us, and his love is perfect in us. Oh, that's a hard one, man. No man hath seen God at any time. It must be the Old Testament. Let's choose Jonah. Retry. Jonah. Nope. Retry. 1 John. Oh, it's actually in the... Wow. So now it's asking us to visit the site. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to be in the New Testament. Okay. Cool. So they got that quiz also. We looked at devotion. Let's look at verse feature here. It's the same thing as the devotion. Here's the verse of the day. Pretty cool app. I like it. The only bad thing I don't like is the ads. Let's go to the Bible down here. So yeah, I like it. I like it how you can go to each book. Let's look at overview here. Let's overview Exodus. Okay. So you can go to it that way also. Direct jump. Oh, you can just search. Let's see. For the exact verse, principalities in the upper places. I want to look up that verse. Oh no, that's for the... So we pick a book first. Oh, okay. So basically you just look for the verse itself. I thought you can actually look for a word in the Bible. So Genesis, for example, 1. And that's how you can find it. And there it is. Pretty cool. Let's go back. Let's go to home. Alright, so there we are, guys. There's a more section here. Let's see what that gives us. So my progress, favorites, highlights, bookmarks. You can take notes. Alright, let's rate it now. So I like it, guys. The only thing, like I said, I don't like about it is the ads. So we're going to give it, because of the ads, we're going to give it a 4 stars. And the ads distract me. Which is true, that when you're reading the Bible, you don't want ads distracting you. So yep, we're going to give this 4 stars. Submit. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to be doing a lot more app reviews. I usually do software reviews for the PC or laptop, Windows. But since the world is going mobile now, I'm going to go in high gear and do a lot more app reviews. Basically, the popular app reviews, antivirus apps for your phone reviews, and a lot more, guys. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon, guys.